Oh my gosh! This thing is heavy. It is really heavy. What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jesse here. As a lot of you know, I'm a pretty big fan of Thor and Thor Ragnarok and Thor from Endgame and Infinity War, and one thing that has been missing from my collection is a fully finished Stormbreaker. But today, we are going to be unboxing the latest replica prop from the Hasbro Toys series. This lineup here that, as you can see behind me, I have purchased a lot of these other replica props, and I'm very excited to get this opened up and share it with you guys today. And here we go. This box is massive, absolutely massive. Yeah, really looking forward to this. The obviously the box art on this is just really cool. This thing is a little bit more expensive than the typical Legendary Series replica props. Those are typically around $100, the price point that you can find those, and then they, over the years, either go up in price with the availability of them, or they drop in price. Some of those I picked up for $100, and now you can find for like 35 or 40 bucks. Others that are now, you know, $300, which is just insane on some of those. But yeah, this one is the Stormbreaker, and it has light ups, and it's all battery operated like some of the other ones. Really just looking forward to checking this out. So, yep, let's get this opened up. It's gonna come with some instructions. We don't need those. So here, again, nicely packaged. They do typically do a really good job with how they package these up. This is the first time I'm seeing this with some of these. I have screws that I'm gonna need to, I'm assuming, screw the two heads parts together. So there is the, I guess the body, the main body, and then the arm. Is it the hilt? I don't know. Technically, ugh. That is some super thick zip ties here. All right, wow. This is a beast. Oh, nice. There's a little protective cap there on the back as well. Yeah, nice. They put little protective caps on both the end as well as the upmost points there for the axe. This is just super cool. The details on this are absolutely stellar. Really, really stellar looking. This is great. Oh my God. This is really weighted as well. Holy crap. I'm gonna figure out how much this thing weighs, and I'll let you guys know, but it's definitely heavier than most of the other props that I picked up from this series. I found what looks like it's the power button up here underneath the head. I'm not quite sure where the batteries go. I would guess it's in the back here. All right, I'm gonna have to bust out the instructions and figure this out. All right, so on the back side here, one of the vines can actually pop off here. There's little latches where it connects in, and is where you can hopefully not break it as you're pulling it off there. I did not break it. But here is where I can actually connect the pieces together, where I'm gonna install the screws when I install the arm piece here. And then this is where I'm gonna put in the 3 AA batteries are gonna go up in here. Jesus! I just scared the crap out of myself with this thing. It is super loud. It is really loud. I really wish there was a volume. Maybe there is a volume control. Some really loud lightning effects there. Oh my gosh! This thing is heavy. It is really heavy. This is wild. Oh my gosh. This might end up being one of my favorite props from the Legendary series. The weight of this thing is just incredible, and it's loud. I mean, this is really loud. It's got a deep, you know, staticky bass to it for that electrical sound. There's a button that you can directly press up top, so if you're holding it like this. It did say it also has, yeah. It's got some motion sound control as well. Oh my gosh. And yeah, you'll see here, if you press the button, it does the electricity, and then it looks like it kind of flashes red. I haven't seen a way so far gonna try and press and hold and see if it keeps the light on. No, it's not. It's gonna turn it off. If you press and hold, it just turns it off until you press the button again. What I wanted to do is just show you. This is gonna be a problem for the rest of the video. So I'm gonna try and show you just a comparison between the 3D printed version. Obviously I did not finish this, and the version here that I picked up from Amazon from Hasbro Toys. What's wild is Daryl, the broken nerd, got the dimensions of this almost perfect in terms of the scale, the you know, Groot's arm here. This is from Infinity War. It had a different look. It had that curved look to it. The in-game version was a straight version here. And yeah, I mean, they're pretty much the same height. This one, the head is slightly larger than the original one that I 3D printed, but it's got a great feel to it. This is almost like a rubberized plastic grip here. It's I mean, I guess it is hard plastic, but it's an interesting feel. It's just this really great weighted prop here. I was honestly not expecting this to be as nice as it is. It is honestly begging to be repainted though. This could look extremely cool with a good bit of nicer metallic paint here to give it that really brushed metal look that you see in the films here. Maybe some purple blood. I don't know, maybe a Thanos head sitting off to the side there. If you are interested in picking up one of these for yourself, again, it's about 150, 165 bucks over on Amazon. You can get it within 2 days with their Prime shipping. All the links down below, those are affiliate links and they help out the channel here. So if you're interested, check those out. I'll also have some links to the other Hasbro replica props as well in the series that I've been collecting over the past handful of years. Absolutely loving this. And if you're a big fan of Thor or Endgame and were interested in picking up one of these, I would, you know, jump on it. It's a really awesome replica prop. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. And again, next time, make sure you go for the head.